Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make a GIF on your iPhone, actually on any iPhone in 2021, on the iPhone 12, on iPhone 11, another one like the iPhone XS that I'm using. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out a lot. It gets us a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13k subscribers, which is really cool. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. And you can also comment down which country are you watching this video from, because I'm curious to know that. So what you want to do is just swipe up on your iPhone. Oops, not like this. Just swipe up like this on your phone and type in shortcuts, or just find the app somewhere on your device. Should be somewhere on your home screen, and here you just have a starter shortcuts. You have the make GIF button right here in pink. If you don't, just you can search it in the search bar. So just click on make GIF and select any GIF. Click on it basically tells you how it will create it, but it's pretty much select photo, it's scripted. It sets a variant, you trim it, and then you make a GIF as a result. It's really easy. If this video helped you out, you can give me a like, because I'm uploading hundreds of videos just like this for your value. And I want to see you in one of the next videos.